Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 119 of our 365-day daily devotional. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it's absolutely fantastic. I say that every time, every day, but it just is, y'all. This is such a great devotional. If you have missed any of the previous episodes and you would like to check those out, there is a playlist in the description box, and that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 119. As you look into the day that stretches out before you, you see many choice points along the way. The myriad possibilities these choices present can confuse you. Draw your mind back to the threshold of this day, where I stand beside you, lovingly preparing you for what is ahead. You must make your choices one at a time, since each is contingent upon the decision that precedes it. Instead of trying to create a mental map of your path through this day, focus on my loving presence with you. I will equip you as you go so that you can handle whatever comes your way. Trust me to supply what you need when you need it. Man. That's so good. So good. We've talked about this before. You just don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. I mean, you never know. You've got to trust in the Lord. You have to place it in His hands and let it be. Okay. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed. For His compassions never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. I say to myself, the Lord is my portion. Therefore, I will wait for Him. The Lord is good to those who hope in Him. To the one who seeks Him, it is good to wait quietly for the salvation of the Lord. Lamentations 3:22 through 26. Oh, I didn't even give you all the verses. Hang on. So let me give you all the verses. That way you have them. I like this next one. In his heart, a man plans his course, but the Lord determines his steps. Proverbs 16:9. In his heart, a man plans his course, but the Lord determines his steps. Just when you think you got it all figured out. Just when you think you got it all figured out, life will throw you a curveball. It's all about how you respond to that. Do you try to take care of it for yourself, or do you give it to the Lord? Man, this is so good. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who trusts in Him. Psalms 34:8. Instead of trying to create a mental map of your path through this day, focus on my loving presence with you. I will equip you as you go so that you can handle whatever comes your way. Trust me to supply what you need when you need it. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.